Welcome back to Kay's Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious salmon bowl. I like to start off with cutting my salmon into cubes so I can get crispy edges on each piece, and then I season with some garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, oregano, black pepper, smoked paprika, kosher salt, a drizzle of olive oil, and finally some honey. And then I'll go ahead and mix that together. Next, heat some oil in a pan, just enough to cover the bottom. Add in your salmon and you will cook for a total of about 6 minutes, flipping them over halfway through that cooking time. And before I assemble the bowl, I do want to make this quick and easy sauce. The only ingredients you will need are mayo, sriracha, and honey, and then you'll just mix that together. And now we can make our bowl. I did pre-chop my veggies, seasoned with salt and pepper. You want to start off with your rice, and for this recipe I did use jasmine rice. Then add in some avocado slices, some cucumber, shredded carrots, a little more cucumber because why not, some red bell pepper, and my homemade pickled red onions, which I do have a video for and I will put a link down in the description box. And finally your salmon bites. Drizzle that sauce over the top and sprinkle some green onion for garnish. If you enjoyed this recipe, please let me know in the comments below. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.